create a YouTube channel, simply go to YouTube homepage and click on Gmail sign-in icon and click on Create Channel. Fill the name and handle columns with your selected names. Remember that the name will be appearing as your channel name and click on Create Channel. Your channel has been created. Now you can customize your channel with channel trailer. Here you can add your ad or your small short videos or anything which can represent your channel and your videos very well. And also there are feature videos for more attraction and returning viewers. Then click on branding. For adding your image or logo etc., as well as add your channel banner. Here you can add your image or your logo, which will be your appearance on YouTube, as well as add your channel banner. How to create a banner in PowerPoint will give you a simple guideline on how to create a banner in PowerPoint in another video. And finally, in this area you can add watermark. And now publish your changes. Thank you very much for watching. Please subscribe our channel for easy and quick guides.